ana ada kepala dan tekon rumah dulu tentang ni carong lo dan langsung ke bang hilang abang kilaan tu si senang menang ko jek tung ulang nang defensi bang nang kali tempo nang ke pangceng konpot antu sekurang gitu dan ala begitu mantan dia mungkin bang hilang ani antara datun versi itu dulu mat juga datun mantan ni antu se konpot tunang ko dulu deh itu main pen kami ning karong kecepat lang dan itu ndaklah Manja luka lihat kong video kong tukang ya mana para ini dia kan sementara turun lo deh anak por kecil ke sang apor hai orang ke tentang ini carong lo
nanti kan turun lo apa yang people thank you so much
itu bang
ini ASSAM kecepatan di Anuska Teronpi lah university lo ahopet nili so kan nili ayata rabun theki alang ni muthangsi jibo kumbo si alang sepate dun bom lapen ini ani alang ano sepate tadi tir ko rabun aja ini hai kado iltum karbi kucing hon alang muthang ka telen ni lo orang kita ke jadi ini ani itu ini ASSAM kalau kan lah also handle karo kali do kali sing bidung ka do kali teman-teman suruh sudah kalau
jadi ente ton nang ni sopila anang dengkele dum nang ni tung family kan ko anang ning tarong
isi alam pudam pulo ke ini tumke ini ngarong ke detetal ana ning ngarong ne athe nil ning ngarong ti jalno asi nil ning ngarong ke chupu ne det ano
Kardom katawe phanta nilimen samya Anuska Teronpi nilinon BA third semester political science Charlie Bong iki nilihem like Manja nilinon pininganingkan 2024 ni Miss ASSAM first runners up anong ilongpon inki most importantly ni Miss Multimedia ke langpon multimedia putang te la Instagram a photo non likes ke online ni langpon la sila so apaman ni nang tum kadto ko e panedi during tung pian because I got so much of likes. I would like to thank my family ni friends upon sami ingi strangers ni hanan chin ipin tum sami alam tum den hanan support pian ingi content creators hai tum tami hedi la tunon ta mo ni hanan rabun thari hanan promote dun tha mara tunang promote dun pic so multimedia subtitle it's yours. Thank you so much.
itu nang non la message pine nang cepai dun det lo nang non siwang gilang obe kini tungpan opia message lo kilang tungga
ikipikang tumang ginon ladak agak cepai dun gi sumping an it was not an easy job mane ladak a feeling chat kali ayat a feeling an sami sumping asnang le ita homa ning chibining bang ke isi homa ning chibining bang nang tu mane hope lose nang ni mane kisung ke boke mayok tame follow mayok a life ayat profession doctor engineer teacher student mayok a life tame joy je. So whatever you want to focus on, apart from beauty pageant, anything you want to focus on, you need to be, confident. You need to focus. Nang to focus doing this. Appoint like that goal. Still put it nang to mang get back to them nang nilo. And you should always believe in God. Arnam chardom make too because luck. Hormuke nang to nai to much how much luck is important. So when you remember God, then God will be with you. So you need to have confidence. Confidence is very important in any kind of field that you go. I had a confidence to make confidence is the best accessory, and yeah, this is very important. And you need to be focused and always quick to learn.
ante la bang so ka seperti long nang pan ka nang kijadun ko kumabang
Kichadun boleh dopian. Like I was really empowered. Like ni mana inun amen mana hidi anti kita lawan alam mana ki ong hai. The family bindala but most importantly ke I would like to thank myself because so a platform mang kiri mana ni bang kiri I was like behind like continuously social media lah tu lang bom ya lo mana comment tu sikit dopo. Kuson sikit dopo kupisi claim nang pola. Remember kita am tahu mati lah communication skills lam kaning cil hai di kon si penang po ya. And I would like to thank Miss Julie alang hedi alang karbiak khai phan alang li che hon pik mane ni phandet kli dak karbiak long sor tu hati long dam puti ma phan sik klang alang silang dang lang dum ko mis alang itun an kelang idap dum ko mis ridet ta kali apni to piano like borjan pen samila I am from a different constituency but borjan lang kami we have come to like they did like Chini that I'll be coming today but then they came to train station lang to nang lap and yes my family my relatives itu man itu ekta marginalized community may itu karbi akhai ke asa anun do chola anun do chat pute itu mage fashion industry pe semel an kachni bang kom chola but then itu a family tu mage itu chini kom chat semel ala tu hanan support du no mane at one point achha tum do ko thak mane e fashion show le meme asun do ko ti ma didi ante me ni family members tu ni relatives tu mak lang tu mang la son se la tu mage oh the song kem dun la tu mage nang jurun ko like you can do it la tu nang support dun ko hailo pute aning chuprong dun ko asun stand jalong ke your friends in the law inge my college my principal and all of them was very supportive because I'm a person the class miss began because I got other works to do I'm also an anchor so the classes I miss nang koti but then even if I miss my classes my HOD my principal they used to look after me
Thank you.